Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a conference call on your iPhone to multiple people. So let's get started. So let's go ahead and open up our phone app on our iPhone. Here I'm going to go ahead first by calling the first person. So here I'm just going to go in my recent to make a call, but you would either use your contact list or your keypad to call the first person contact. So go ahead and call them. So I'm going to go ahead and start a call here. So as you can see here, it's calling the first person here, which is good. So I'm going to go ahead and insert the first person call, and the first person call has been answered. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and add a second person that you like to add to this conference call. So I'm going to add here and then go to the add contact, the other person. So I'm going to go ahead and add the next person here on my list from the contact list. And the other thing is you also want to add the people in your contact list to make it easier. Now once you have the second contact up, just simply call them, and once you call them, just wait for the next person to pick up the call. So the first one is hold, and then you have the second one that's going on. Now you see there's a merge option right here. You're going to click on merge to merge all the three calls, so that you, the person one, person two, and however many people you want to add, you just keep on merging to make a conference call, and it's going to create a conference call with everybody in it. And once you're ready to end it, just simply click on end, and that will end the conference call just like that. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.